show you how to add a search engine friendly link into your WordPress page or post. And it's fairly simple to do. One of the reasons we want to make sure that the link is search engine friendly is so that our blog posts and pages get found in search engines like Google and Bing. And in order to do that, we need to make sure that when we create a link, we do it correctly. That means creating a link that has anchor text, which contains our keywords and keyword phrases, and also creating a link that is reflective of the page that we're linking to. In this example, we're going to create a link to a page that I've already created, actually a post that I've already created on my Social Savvy Pets blog. This page, as you can see, is entitled Key Facts About Links in Your Blog. And so some of our keywords deal with adding links to our blog and how to do that. So we're going to go back to our WordPress back office, and I've just created a test page here so I can demonstrate to you how to do this. I haven't actually added any serious subject matter, but just some wording before and after the place we're going to put the link, just to give you an idea of how this is done. And our anchor text for this link is going to say adding a link to your WordPress blog. And as you can see, I've typed that right here. In order to add the link, what we want to do is highlight the text that we want to link. And then we're simply going to go up here and point toward where it says link. Now in this last update to WordPress has actually made it quite a bit easier to do this. The first thing we're going to do is to go back and collect the URL of the link that we want to link to. And actually, since we're linking to our own blog, we have a couple of different ways to do this. We can either just put the URL in up here, or we can go down here and we can actually search for the appropriate page on our blog. And once we find that, there it is. We can actually just click on that, and that's going to put our URL automatically into the proper box, and it's also going to add the title of the page we're linking to as our title, actually our meta title for our link here. If you want to change that to include more search engine friendly keywords, you can do that. We're just going to leave it as it is. And you also have the option of either having the link open in a new window or tab, or having it open on the same page. For right now, we're just going to leave that so that it opens in the same page. So we're going to leave that unclicked. And then we're just going to go down here and simply click Add Link. We're going to go ahead and save that. And now when we preview what we've just added, you can see the link here. And of course, when you click on that link, it takes us to the article on Key Facts About Links that we were linking to. Now, a couple of things that you want to keep in mind when you are adding a link to your WordPress post or page. You always want to make sure that you have proper anchor text added to your link. If you simply use a link that says click here or something to that effect, you're actually giving up some really valuable search engine real estate there. So don't do that. It's just it's passing up an opportunity that can be very valuable for you to place well in the search engines. The other thing to keep in mind, one of the other things to keep in mind, is that it's helpful if you add that tool text to your link. The tool text is actually the meta title that we put in. So this area here where it says title, that's going to show up as your as your tool text for readers that are hovering over your link with their mouse. They're going to see whatever you put into that box there. Another thing you want to avoid when you're adding a link is leaving an open link. You never want to have a link on your website that starts out with simply HTTP without actually being anchored to something. It just looks sloppy, it's unprofessional. Always put the anchor text in and then link it appropriately.